Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add an RSS feed to your website on Wix. So let's get right into it. Now, it is very easy to do this. You just need to add a certain element, which is the RSS button, and I'll be showing you guys how to do it. As you can see, I'm already in my website editor just so that I don't have to go through the loading screen. So let's get right into adding the element, shall we? The thing you need to do to add elements is click on this plus, which is the add elements button. And once you do that, you'll get this menu over here. Now, what you want to do is go all the way down into blog. And then as you can see, the bottommost option is the RSS button. And you have a couple of different styles to choose from. I'll choose this one. All you have to do is click on it and drag it over to your website. And as you can see, there is the button right here. If I double click it, I'll have this here menu where I can change the design. I'll change it in a circle just for the purpose of this tutorial, and you have the support here if you need it. However, what you can also do is click on manage posts and it'll open up a pop-up of your dashboard. And as you'll notice, I do not have any posts on my blog at the current moment, so there is nothing I can control here. But if I go ahead and open up the preview and click on the button, as you'll be able to see, it'll open up the error page because I do not have any other posts. But if you have posts on your blog, you can very easily just track them through this RSS button, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.